Doesn't it seem like your car starts having problems just after the manufacturer warranty runs out? Why can't your car just be covered forever? We think it should be, and that's why any qualifying vehicle you buy from Jenkins Nissan of Leesburg is protected with a lifetime warranty at no cost to you. That's right, a real powertrain warranty for as long as you own your car. Unlimited time, unlimited miles, no cost, and no gimmicks. Just a warranty for as long as you own your car. Here's how it works. You keep up on all the recommended factory maintenance, and we'll fix the powertrain components on your new or pre-owned car. That includes your engine, transmission, and drive assembly. With Jenkins Nissan's lifetime warranty, you never have to worry about having to pay for repairs to the most expensive components of your vehicle, because you're covered forever. So now the question is, why would you buy a vehicle without a lifetime warranty? Pick up the phone, send us an email, or grab one of our friendly associates here at Jenkins Nissan of Leesburg and find out more about our exclusive lifetime warranty and get peace of mind for a lifetime.